Hey guys, back with another video. It's dark outside right now. Today we're going to be putting in these adjustable camber caster plates on the SN95. I already have that side completed, so I was going to take you guys along for the ride on this side. So let's get to work. Alright, just to start out, you have a rivet here and a rivet here that we're just going to go ahead and drill the heads off of. There's one. And that's two. All right, next we got to raise up the front tire off the ground. You're going to want to do that by the body of the car. Make sure you're supporting it somehow with a jack stand or something. The reason I need it lifted up is because I got to fit my arm in through the, above the tire, through the fender well, to hold on to the shaft of the shock to hold it still so we can remove this. There we go. Can remove all this. We will not be reusing any of this I just pulled off. Next, you can remove the two nuts and one bolt. We will not be reusing this. And you can push on the shock. Bring that downwards. Then you got that bottom portion. We're not reusing that either. Can also remove the top portion of the bump stop. We're not going to be reusing that either. Let the shock come back up. Through the hole. Now we're just going to punch the rest of these rivets back down all the way through, like that. Now we're just going to clean the surface off really well. Here we have the top portion of the new top strut mount with adjustable camber and caster. Here's the lower portion. On this newer design, we have an optional third or fourth mounting position where a bolt will go through. We'll have to drill a hole over there. If you're doing anything besides just daily driving this car, you're going to want to use that fourth mounting spot. Just makes it a lot stronger. Most all of these kits come with an assortment of spacers. If it has a lip on it like this, it's going to be the bottom spacer. It's going to fit into this right here. It's going to be a little bit of a tight fit, but you can tap it in there with a hammer to where it's flush on the edge right there. That is the bottom of it. This is the top, this is the bottom. It needs to go in here. All right, for marking the fourth hole that you're going to have to drill yourself, basically you see all these are slotted. I'm going to line this up where the center of these slots are in the center of these slots, and then I'm going to mark the center of this right here onto the top of the tower. That's where I'm going to drill. I might try to notch it out a little bit so it's like this. We'll see. So that's just what I'm going to do. All right, just going to slide this over there. Try our best to get it lined up. Yeah, pretty neutral position. I believe it is. Now we can remove it and drill our hole. All right, we have our hole drilled. And it's a good idea to take a file and file off any burrs on the top portion, and then to paint any bare metal so it does not rust. With that being said, we can go ahead and take the bottom portion of our new mounting point and reach through the fender well and put it in. Just get the studs lined up in the holes like so. I'm going to go ahead and put a washer and nut on to keep it secured for a moment. Now if you can, just grab it from the top by one of the studs. You can take off the nut you used to secure it. Okay, now your kit should include 4 very small spacers compared to the other spacer I showed you. They go all of them go on the top side here. The 4th one I'm going to wait to put on because it will go on the bolt that goes there. Now you can push up on it from the bottom, drop it into place, and you can put on the washers and the nuts. All right, now I have one more spacer, a washer, and a bolt. Slide the spacer down, get a hold of it with the bolt. Then it's just a matter of getting it into the threaded portion on the other end. All right, once you have all the fasteners on there loosely, then you can go ahead and start lowering the vehicle. I didn't lower it all the way, just enough to where I had enough of this threaded rod sticking up for me to get more spacers on the top of it and get the nut started. Now I'm going to raise it back up once again so I can get my arm through the wheel well and onto the shaft of the shock so I can hold on to it. All right. As you can see, you have your adjustments for camber. I have some weight on the vehicle, so it's going to be take a little bit of force to move it that way. And then you have your caster, which I need to loosen that up a tad. You have your caster there. So basically you can just set it up, kind of eyeball it to get it to the alignment shop, get it aligned well. When you bring it, I would let them know you have it. These adjustment plates up here, they'll probably figure it out, but just so they know. If you guys want to pick up some of these for yourself, there'll be a link in the description and a pinned comment with a link as well. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be posting more videos and updates of what we're doing to the Mustang soon. But if you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.